2012, Paper 2, Question 8. Box is initially at rest. It travels for 18 metres and its speed is 3 metres per second, and we're asked to find A. Remember, the formulas for constant acceleration are in your formula booklet, and we're going to use v squared equals u squared plus 2as. So 9 must equal 0 plus 2 times 18, 36a. So A will be 9 divided by 36, that's a quarter, or 0.25 metres per second squared. If a box being pulled and the tension in the rope is 26 newtons, friction is opposing motion. The weight of the box, 8g, so 80 newtons, is acting down, and there will be a reaction. If we consider the vertical forces, the reaction must be 80 newtons. And the resultant force in the direction of motion, which is 26 minus friction, must equal mass times acceleration. So 26 minus friction must equal 2, so the friction must have been 24 newtons. Friction is 24, the reaction is 80, and we know that friction equals mu r. So the 24 must equal mu times 80. And mu will be 24 divided by 80, and that's 3/10 or 0.3. Rope's now changed to an angle of 25. We will still have weight acting down, we will still have friction opposing motion, and we will have a reaction. Now it's important to remember that this reaction is not the same reaction in the previous part of the question. I'm now going to resolve my forces. The P is going to work in two components. Because this is adjacent, we'll have P cos 25, which means that acting up we will have P sine 25. So if we consider the vertical forces, R plus P sine 25 has to equal 80. So R is 80 minus P sine 25. Now it'll just move when friction's at its maximum, and that's going to happen when P cos 25 equals friction. And we know that friction equals mu, which is 0.3 R. So that tells me that P cosine 25 has to equal 0.3 times 80 minus P sine 25. We're going to solve this equation for P. So 0.906p has to equal 24 minus 0.3 sine 25, which is 0.127p. So 0.906p plus the 0.127p has to be 24. 1.033p is 24, so p will be 24 divided by 1.033, which gives a value for p of 23.23 newtons. So we can say that the box will move so long as p is greater than 23.23 newtons.